Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogelon 2.0 token. Now this is a brand new token that's in the top gainer section right now on CoinMarketCap. Name of the token is Dogelon Space 2.0. Ticker symbol is Dogelon2.0, all one word. This token is up 160.59% right now, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So obviously the 2.0 trend is very hot right now, and that is why this token, exists, and that's why this token is in the top gainer section right now, up 161%. This is an Ethereum token. You can find their Etherscan on CoinMarketCap. Brand new token, so far 236 holders, 1,740 transfers, 18 decimal places, max total supply, 1 billion tokens. So since this is an Ethereum token, if you did want to buy this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Dogelon 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan, or you can find it on their webpage, which is DOGELON2.0.vip. They also have a full link tree available on CoinMarketCap. You can check that out as well. And yeah, so far it just says Uniswap v2. It doesn't have any central exchange listings yet, according to CoinMarketCap. There's the chart on CoinMarketCap. You can also find a Telegram. Their Telegram 300 subscribers so far at Dogelon, the number 2, and then ETH. And their Twitter, you can also find their Twitter on CoinMarketCap. And as always, I put their Twitter up in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find this token at Dogelon2ETH on Twitter as well. They have a full white paper, GitHub, all sorts of cool stuff on CoinMarketCap that you could check out here. So their white paper, 12 pages long, PDF file here. So it says, missed out on Dogelon, here's your second opportunity. Make the most of it this time around. Then it has the contract address. So Dogelon 2.0 is the second version of Dogelon Mars. As we know, history repeats itself, and we're planning to follow the same footsteps as Dogelon Mars with 2.0. We want to share a message that explains that every token deserves a second chance. So, lots of memes, of course, lots of pictures of the Dogelon. Almost their whole white paper is basically just pictures of Dogelon. It basically is. I just scrolled down 10 pages. I thought it was an extensive white paper that I was going over here. I'm like, wow, it's 12 pages. I scroll down 10 pages and it's just all pictures. It's pretty ridiculous, but okay. It says taxes are 2 and 2. So basically, if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 2% because of those taxes. Doesn't actually tell you what the taxes are for. So I'm safe to assume marketing and development. It says ownership renounced, burned liquidity. And that is the end of their 12-page white paper. That's pretty ridiculous. I thought there was actually going to be some info on a 12-page white paper, but no, nothing. Except for taxes that they don't even tell you what it's for. No, not even a token allocation pie chart, but maybe that will be on their webpage here. We'll check out their webpage. They also have a link tree there. Looks like they do have a little bit more info on their webpage. There's a little blurb here I saw on CoinMarketCap too. Nope, just repeats the same thing basically. Oh, it says it's community driven. We believe in the power of community by joining Dogelon Coin, well, Dogelon 2.0 they probably mean. You become part of a like-minded group of individuals who share a passion for the Dogelon Mars. Together, we will create a supportive and engaging space to celebrate the timeless symbol. If you didn't realize, Dogelon Mars is a combination of Doge, Elon Musk, and then SpaceX, how they're going to Mars, basically. And tokens, obviously, go to the moon, go to Mars, etc. Limited supply. So just like Dogelon 2.0 is unique and rare. There will only ever be a fixed supply, making it a sought-after digital collectible. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of internet history. Now, besides that, not much information. They do have is this a DEX Tools chart on their page? You can check that out. If you go over to DEX Tools, you can check out some security. I don't see a full audit. Don't see a KYC anywhere, but if you go to their DEX Tools, there's a Go Plus security link on there, so we could see if there's any warning signs here. So, yeah, it doesn't look like there's any bad frowny faces or anything like that except for taxes. So, I mean, security's not too bad there. It just says buy and sell tax at 2%. Everything else is fine. It does have a 54 out of 99 DEX Tools score for some reason. It says total liquidity is $60,000. 24-hour trading volume, $174,000. 16.14 pooled ETH. We got 66.34 million pooled Dogelon 2. Total market cap, $453,000. 231 holders, and yeah, that's about it. Total supply, 1 billion Dogelon tokens. Has a 98.2 community trust score on DEX Tools, so its security is not too bad there, even though they don't have a full audit or anything like that. Now, if you want to find more information, check out their Telegram, check out their Twitter, posted in the corner of the screen. They have a contact email at the bottom of the page, and of course it says Dogelon 2.0 is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.